Tired of duplicate deals cluttering your Pipedrive pipeline? Learn how to merge them in seconds and keep your sales data clean. I'll walk you through the exact steps to merge deals, from opening the primary deal to reviewing the final result. So, let's start. First, open up Pipedrive. You should be on your main dashboard, the one that gives you a bird's-eye view of everything. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. See that sidebar? Click on the option that says Deals. That's going to bring up your entire list of deals, the good, the bad, and the duplicates. Now, find the deal that you want to keep. This is your primary deal, the one that will act as the main record after the merge. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. You'll land on the Deal Details page. Give it a second to load. It might take just a moment if you've got a lot of custom fields or activity history attached to it. All right, once you're on that Deal Details page, shift your attention to the top right corner. You're looking for a little icon that looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. That's the 3-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that list, find and click the option that says Merge. Now, wait just a second. Pipedrive is going to open up a new window, the Merge Deals window. This is where the magic happens. In this new window, you'll see a search box. This is where you tell Pipedrive which duplicate or related deal you want to get rid of. Start typing the name of the deal you want to merge into the primary one. As you type, Pipedrive will show you matching deals. Click on the one that's the duplicate, or the one that's closely related. Select it. Now, here's where you need to be careful. Pipedrive will show you a side-by-side comparison of the information from both deals. You'll see fields like the deal value, the expected close date, the pipeline stage, and any custom data you've added. Take your time here. Review the information from both deals carefully. And here's the really important part. You get to choose which piece of information wins after the merge. For each field, you can select whether to keep the data from the primary deal or from the duplicate deal. The primary deal's data is usually pre-selected, but you can switch it if the duplicate has a more up-to-date contact name or a better note. Make your choices carefully for every single field. Once you've verified everything and you're happy with how the merged deal will look, find the big Merge button. It's usually blue and clearly labeled. Click it. Pipedrive will take a moment to process the merge. It might flash a loading spinner or a progress bar. Just wait for it to complete. Do not close the window or navigate away. When it's done, you'll be taken to the final merged deal. Take a second to look around. All the information you chose should be there. The notes, the activities, the email threads, they're all consolidated. The duplicate deal is gone, and your pipeline is that much cleaner. See? It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference when you're trying to manage your sales data. A clean pipeline means less confusion and a clearer view of where every deal really stands. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.